In this video, I'm going to show you how to manage the colors of your template. First, let's go to the theme settings. Here, you'll see two sets of color options, one for dark backgrounds and one for light backgrounds. In this template, the hero section uses a dark background, so it follows the dark background color settings. The next section uses a light background, so it follows the light background color settings. Now let's take a closer look at the color options. Under the dark background settings, you'll see options for the primary color, accent color, background color, surface color, heading color, and body text color. The primary color is used for important elements, such as highlighted links. The background color controls the overall background, while the surface color is used for elements like cards or boxes that sit above the background. The heading and body text colors control the text styling within dark sections. Below that, you'll find the button design options. Here, you can change the button background color, text color, border color, and shadow. You'll also see additional accent color settings and preset background color options that are used throughout the theme. Let's change something together. I'll update the heading color and then click Save. When we check the preview, you'll see that every heading in the dark background section has updated to the new color. This is a quick and efficient way to update all sections consistently without editing each element manually. You can also change a section's background type from dark to light or vice versa. To do this, click on the section, open the section settings, and select background color. Here, you'll see all of your preset background options. If you choose a light background, the system will automatically apply the light background color styling. Everything updates instantly, text, buttons, and accent colors, without needing to change each color individually. You can also set a custom background color if needed. When you choose a custom color, the theme automatically detects whether it's light or dark and applies the correct text and button styles to maintain readability with no extra effort. And that's how the color system works in this template. These global color options make it easy to update the entire design quickly and consistently. Thank you for watching.